Hello.
Hello, teacher Matt.
Hi, Sally. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, fantastic. Sally, what day was it yesterday?
Christmas!
Christmas Day. Sally, what did you do yesterday?
I eat cake.
Did you eat cake?
Yes,
Was it Christmas cake?
yes.
Ah, and how much cake did you eat?
This. Eh?
How much how much cake did you eat? Did you eat a lot of cake?
Yes,
Yes. Sally, did you get a present yesterday?
yes.
What present did you get?
I get a
I
book.
got. Oh, oh, is that Olaf?
Yes.
Oh, look. Whoa, it's a notebook. Wow. What are you going to be writing on your notebook?
And I writing.
What will you write on the notebook?
I don't know.
You could write many things. You can write phone numbers. You can write important things. You can write your friends' birthdays on your notebook, right?
I write this.
Let me see. What is that? What is that? It's in Korean.
No, it's um, it's
Is it Chinese
it's Chinese and
and Korean? What did you write on your new notebook?
I write the words.
Ah, you wrote write or wrote?
What?
Oh, I wrote words. And what words are those? Are those vocabulary words?
Yes.
Yes. Are they words that you need to remember?
Yes.
Yes. Very good, Sally. Very good use of your brand new notebook. Now, Sally, what day is it today? Today's Saturday, right?
Yes.
Okay, what did you do today?
I'm I'm very important today. I go to
I
the
went to
went to the house.
a house. And which house? Which house did you go to? Did you go to your friend's
The
house?
house.
What kind of house?
I go to my house.
Did you go to your house?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Did you get homework from yesterday?
Yes.
Yes. Have you finished your homework?
Yes.
Ah, very cool. Tell you what, Sally, this is what we're going to do today. We are going to look at a house. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go look at a house. Here we go. Let us look at what things we can find inside our house. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Let me just set this up. Bada bing, bada boom. Here we go.
Today, I am going to teach you about the rooms in a house.
Rooms in a house.
Let's begin. The bedroom is the part of the house where we sleep.
Okay, Sally. Question. What are some of the things that we can do in our
Yes.
bedrooms?
Sleep.
Very good. Sleep is number one. Okay, let's write that down. Sleep. What else?
Sleep.
Eat.
No.
No, don't be eating in the bedroom because if you eat in the bedroom, the ants are going to come and you're going to be itchy, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
What else can we do in the bedroom?
We study.
Ah, very good. Study. What else? Can we read a book in the bedroom?
Yes.
Okay, read a book. What else? What about play a game?
No.
Ah, can't you play a little board game? You can play a little game in the bedroom, right? Okay, what about this? What about read a bedtime story? Ah, you can do that, right? Okay, Sally, let's say this together. What can we do in the bedroom?
We can sleep,
Sleep,
study,
eat.
read a book, play a game, read a bedtime story.
Oh, fantastic! Very, 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 very cool, Sally. Very cool. All right, Sally.
Yes.
Okay. What kind of things can you find in the bedroom? What sort